Hi, my name's Mike Greenup. I'm the Managing Director of MB DIY. Throughout all my years here, we've been a very trusted company to both the retail and the domestic market throughout the whole of the UK. The trust we've gained with our customers has been based on strong customer service, great brands, delivering on time and having the stock when the stock's required. We're a family-based company, and from our initial years and start-up with 5 staff in a small unit, we've now built up to our brand new state-of-the-art warehouse.
To ensure continuous growth is possible, we invested in a purpose-built headquarters in 2020. We also invested heavily in solar to minimise our carbon footprint, taking a huge leap forward in becoming a sustainable, environment-conscious company. Our reputation has been reinforced with our award from Alchemist Safe Supplier Verification in 2024. MB DIY specialises in 2 key industry sectors, which are decorative wall coverings and flooring and door and hardware products, to supply the fenestration industry, which is the foundation our company is built on.
With decades of trading, we are now recognised as a one-stop shop. We keep a huge amount of stock throughout the year to continue supply to the trade. Here at MB, we stock some of the biggest brands in the industry, from our own brand to the Yale brand, Sudal, Hoppy, Era, Mako, GU and many more to add. All these products are stocked inside our hardware warehouse, ready to be dispatched the same day. Our huge range of products is backed up with 40 years of technical knowledge. We will have a dedicated team of people behind our customer service department to process orders, answer queries and offer help and advice where required. We have bespoke pricing strategies and dedicated sales representatives assigned to key accounts to ensure a long-lasting business relationship. We will allow your company to grow with us over the years.
As a part of our product innovation, we have invested heavily into our lock and keying services, which include master suiting, key-to-like and other key cutting services. Our lock station department is home to the Eros 3-star cylinder, which meets the highest current industry standards.
MB DIY is a key supplier to the fenestration industry. We offer national next-day delivery on our own fleet of vehicles. All goods are dispatched from our main headquarters, which is strategically placed in the north-east of England.
We don't just focus on the hardware industry, we're at the forefront of modern, traditional wall coverings in PVC and various products, and also floor coverings.
MB Decor offer a full flooring to ceiling solution with one of the biggest ranges of decorative panels within the UK. Our main ethos is built around quality products and unique designs. We ensure all of our products are manufactured to a high quality and come in a wide range of styles, which we are continually developing to ensure that they pave the way for new trends on the market. We offer a tiered pricing structure tailored to your business needs. Whether you are a bathroom installer, shop owner or a major stockist, we will work closely with you, ensuring the best possible pricing matrix. We supply products from international suppliers, from Vox, Dumoplaz, to Modular. In addition to these products, we have our own Decowall brand, which is the heart of our wall panelling range. Decowall is a standalone brand, which allows our stockists to comfortably display these products under the Decowall, Decor Floor and Decor Seal titles.
One of the major benefits of using MB Decor is the level of marketing support we offer. We have a wide selection of point-of-sale materials available, such as show boards, sample boxes and brochures for showrooms, as well as digital brochures, images and stock integration for e-commerce websites. To enhance customer experience, we have our own MB Decor portal and app, which allows you to view stock levels, find the latest product information, view prices and order goods online direct to your business.
To ensure your products are delivered safely, we will deliver these on our own fleet of vehicles. Also, so that you can offer your customer our full product range, we offer a drop ship service where we can deliver direct to your customer without you needing to handle our product.
One thing that's not going to change at MB DIY is our commitment to the local community. For years we've opened our doors to both trade and retail customers alike, for a place where people can come for inspiration and for genuine, truthful advice.
I'm Stephen, proud trade counter manager at MB DIY. For me and the team, the trade counter is much more than a hardware shop people can come to buy products from. It's more of a community where people can come for coffee, ask for advice and be greeted with excellent customer service from people with years of knowledge. This was our driving force when we won Trade Counter of the Year at the National Fenestration Awards in 2023 and 2024. On our trade counter, our team can support with lock repairs, key cutting, lock identification and much more. Alongside our trade counter, we have external project specialists to help with the ordering process of a wide selection of external products from composite decking and fencing to fascias and soffits and rainwater systems. They can also advise on larger scale makeover projects such as adding skylights, pergolas and garden rooms to enhance your space. In addition to our trade counter, we have one of the biggest wall panel and bathroom showrooms in the country, with over 48 room displays set up and over 500 items of wall panels, flooring and ceiling panels on display. It's a place you can come and find inspiration no matter what your budget. If you're still not sure what you're looking for, then our team of designers can bring your dream to life using our virtual world software to showcase your selected wall panels in a room built to your design. Me and the team welcome you to pop into our store on South Bank Road, Middlesbrough.